What's good, y'all? It's Fresco VK, and COVID is what COVID is. And yes, I want to be back outside too, but until then, I got some flavors for y'all that I know go so good together. We got the strawberry cough, excuse me, there's no Rona, Dunk High, and we have the Ben & Jerry Dunk Low. To say less of all this talking, yo, let's get straight to these shoes. We champion the Nike SB category for their unmatched creativity and storytelling throughout various SB offerings that we've seen. It goes across music, whether it's from rock to rap, with Dinosaur Jr., De La Soul, and even Travis Scott. Food offerings, because we've got lobster, we've got Heineken, and we've also got the chicken and waffle, and that does not fall short with these two releases that I got today. So first up, we have the Strawberry Cough Nike SB. So Nike's been playing along the lines of the cannabis consumer since 2010 with the original release of the SB Skunk Dunk High, and this year, the 10-year anniversary, the reverse Skunk Dunk High release. And with that being said, we've seen releases like the White Widow Dunk Mid, the Dog Walker Dunk High, and even the Cheech and Chong Dunk High, which are all 420 inspired releases from Nike. So one of the first things that jumps out to me about this shoe is of course the green, because that's my favorite color, but we're gonna start off in the front. So you'll see the toe box area here, which is a slightly lighter red than the rest of the shoe in the other hits. As we get to the outer panel, you'll see the red leather, the overlay detailing. It's actually like rigid and bumpy like an actual strawberry would be, so that detailing's fire. We have the suede swoosh right there on the outer panel. We're gonna go to the tongue. The tongue has the white, full white at the top, of course with the red detailing in the Nike SB, but it's a gradient tongue, so the gradient color shift goes from white to red. That runs down there and then it runs into that toe box area. We're gonna go to the back tab. So it has extremely long pull tab, which is not common for the Nike SB Dunk Low or High. It is a velvet or terry cloth material there, very soft to the touch, and that runs throughout the upper lining of the shoe. So it has the lighter green there on that pull tab and the slightly darker green as we get to this area here. Suede, once again on that inner panel. One of the coolest details about this entire upper is the stitching of the strawberry cough right there on the outer panel. So it's an actual strawberry coughing, which is ill. So has an additional set of laces, two additional sets. We've got the green right there, and then we also have the pink. Another amazing detail about this shoe is the insole. So here we have the insole that features the strawberry coughing. Of course, it's paying homage to the strawberry cough canvas strain. Has a canvas leaf right there, and also the strawberry coughing, eyes bloodshot red. And hopefully you don't got the Rona. And I know you guys are always commenting about my eyes in the video. No, I am not messing with the strawberry cough. But I'll show you guys the outsole, which is the final touch of the shoe. So here we have the fully translucent outsole, has red in the toe area here, that fully open red here in the middle, and of course the green as we get to the heel. Not necessarily a gradient color shift, but more like a split color shift that you'll see right there also in the midsole. So 2020, we've seen a super resurgence with Nike SB. I feel like Travis Scott may have spearheaded that with the earlier release of the Travis Scott SB Dunk Low earlier in the year, but that also brings together the older SB consumer and the newer SB consumer and kind of keeps introducing those same stories that, like I said earlier, we fell in love with. And yes, these two shoes go hand in hand. So after you have some of the strawberry cough, you might build up an appetite. So we're gonna switch over to the Ben & Jerry SB Dunk Low. Ben & Jerry's is famous for their intricate packaging and bold flavor names, offering both dairy and non-dairy. And one of their most classic flavors is, of course, Chunky Monkey. So picking out the right ice cream is almost as intricate as picking out the right shoe, but the Ben & Jerry's SB Dunk Low satisfies both flavors. So we'll get right to the upper and you'll see that it mirrors the packaging of course, Ben & Jerry's ice cream. We'll go straight to the tongue, which is actually one of the coolest details with the Nike SB. And it also reads Chunky Dunky, much like Chunky Monkey. And the special limited edition packaging that will be coming in with this shoe, it features a full Ben & Jerry's ice cream box that reads Chunky Dunky all around the box. And I think that's actually pretty cool. So we have the swoosh right there. Kind of gives you a banana feel because one of the most intricate pieces of the Chunky Monkey ice cream is the banana. And we'll see throughout the upper you'll see the faux hair, which looks like cow skin. So of course, this is a dairy option, so it has the cow skin. I would assume if this was a non-dairy option, it may not have the cow skin, but that's neither here nor there. We get to the back, we have the Nike logo there, and of course, the cloud logo there, which is also featured on the Ben & Jerry's ice cream. In the panel, same as the outer panel, we have the white midsole. As we get to the outsole, features a fully green outsole. Of course, I love green. And then we have the slightly neon green hit right there in the middle. But let's get to the insole, which is one of the illest parts of the shoe. Of course, it's fully tie-dye and it reads Ben & Jerry's times Nike SB. Shout out to my man Mal, who's worked on a lot of these SBs and they're coming out fire. But let's slide this back inside. And then I'm gonna flip the tongue around and show you the Ben & Jerry's motto, which reads, if it's not fun, why do it? And I definitely stand by that. It shows throughout their whole brand and social media. Switch over to this right foot really quickly. So just for photo purposes, we have the laces tied to the shoes, but they come in bags. So it features a yellow set of laces and of course the green set of laces. So we showed you the Ben & Jerry SB Dunk Low, and we also showed you the Strawberry Cough Dunk High. And if I had to choose between the two, I may be leaning towards Strawberry Cough, but I love Dunk Highs. But the detailing on both is just fire. And of course it falls right in line with all of the other dope shoes from the SB category. But we will have these available at Stadium Goods. So make sure you guys jump in the comments and let me know what you think. Make sure you stay in tune with us and visit stadiumgoods.com. Download the Stadium Goods app available on iOS and on Android because we update the app daily with new sneakers, apparel, and accessories, all from Stadium Goods. And follow at Stadium Goods on all social media platforms. That's at Stadium Goods. We are still inside, but we're that much closer to being back outside. So I'm Fresco VK, all about the Nike SB, and salud.